off the side that was at the house. It's on this side.
Yeah, I know. I just saw it.
Right here's where the tree went.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's all one direction. This area's got to be straight line winds. Went in one direction. I think I'm gonna stop unless there's more out here.
There was metal and it filled this.
Jeez.
Really, what do you want to eat?
Skid marks. You were in their yard.
And there's the power line hanging down.
And here's where I pulled over the compound.
Them power poles are leaning. Look at them.
I was going 55.
Do you want me to open this or do you want to open it?
They usually don't lean like that.
It's an insurance thing. See it like that.
You just hit video. Well, that'll work too. Yeah, I'm videoing. Okay, guys, over here you're gonna see the bank sign here just a second.
We just started blurring.
It's the Wilson and Muir Bank.
That's a bound.
Not that bound, but this one. Is it there? Yeah, it is. Put it where you can go on my side. This is the old Walmart building, in front of the old Walmart building. I want to actually get out and look at it. It's just a knocked.
Remember, you chose not to wear your jacket.
I don't care.
Hurry up, there's people.
This is the bank sign. Oh, he's backing up. This is the bank sign at the old Walmart building in Leitchfield. Man blew this over. You can see it. The inside of it. Alright. There we go. So, around this corner here,
we drove by.
there's some down power lines.
Power lines were down on the ground, but right here is.
You'll see it on this
Power
side.
pole I was aiming towards, I slid right there.
See, still lines down. The power lines on the opposite side of the road was
See,
leaning.
there's where they were down at. They went
See,
across the road.
more power lines down. I wonder if they got electric turned on out here yet.
I was trying to talk to the brother about it. I'll show you more on the way back. Since
Oh, we're gonna stop videoing for now. Alright, guys. Trees down. The other side of the road, I'm gonna try to get on the way back through. But there's some metal over here. Trees down.
Here's the bridge. Corbin, is there something hanging out the door right now?
Where?
On the car?
I don't know. What do you mean? Alright, guys, the other side of the road. We went and turned around. You can see debris scattered in the field here in just a second. You probably can see it out in the field actually right now, the metal. This is a it's supposed to be a barn. Yeah, there's sheet metal in the tree in multiple directions.
They had a barn up there that got demolished.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's in multiple directions. I'm going to say this is probably a tornado. Jeez.
See, it's all over there.
Yeah, it has to be a tornado. Looks like tornado here, but I think in town with straight line winds.
But this wasn't the direction.
The wind was blowing.
Yeah, that's the part that gets me.
And it's a tornado if it's spinning around in multiple directions. That's what we saw.
Were you going to film that in?
But this is on Lewis School Road in Litchfield, guys. This is Lewis School Road in Litchfield.